Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry for the hiatus again. Honestly, I can't seem to get it together these days. Balancing baby life, mom life, work life, YouTube life, everything life has been pretty difficult these days, but I'm trying. But for today's video, I'm finally filming a bridal hair tutorial. So let's get started. No worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. No worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. No worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. No worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some So that is it for this tutorial. Let me know down in the comment section which hairstyle was your favorite, and remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I can't believe we are so close to my wedding day. I feel like this has been years, decades, centuries in the making, and it's finally happening. So remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified right away when our wedding video finally goes live. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in our next video. Bye! On the postpartum shedding hits.